Today, we're talking about research questions and search terms. In an increasingly digital world, being able to effectively create research questions to guide our research and search terms to find our information are becoming more and more important. The first thing we're going to do is talk about research questions. How do you formulate effective research questions? An effective way to conduct research is to regularly use research questions. Basically, a research question is a clear, focused question that guides your research. They should be open-ended and require an in-depth answer. These are questions that you might need to synthesize information from more than one site in order to be able to answer. They should not be answered with a statistic, a fact, or yes or no. Examples of effective research questions include, what are the long-term effects of bullying and why are more teens leaving high school before graduating? Notice that both of these questions would need paragraphs to be answered rather than questions like how many kids miss school each day due to bullying, which we could answer with the number 160,000, and what are the statistics on high school dropouts in the USA? Because these are one-answer questions, they're not effective research questions. The next thing we're going to do is talk about search terms. So your EQ here is, how do I use search terms? Search terms help you locate the information you need more quickly. They can be extracted, which means pulled out, or developed from the key concepts in your research questions. For example, if my research question is, why are more teens leaving school in the U.S. each year, I might use the following search terms: teen, dropout, United States, factors, or teen, dropout, U.S., causes. Entering a precise string of search terms increases my odds of finding the right information. And here's a little hint. You can also use your research question as a search term. Try dropping it into Google. You'll be surprised what you find. So let's review. When preparing to research, create 1 to 2 clear, focused research questions. Generate a list of search terms from your research questions. Then use your search terms in varying combinations to aid you in finding the best information to answer your research questions. Well, that's it. Go try it yourself.